Handy Hudsonite here. I'm going to show you how you can easily fill your cup, your glass, or whatever you're trying to put water in from your refrigerator. I'm going to be demonstrating this on my Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator. It's a way that you can fill up your cup without having to stand there and hold it against the paddle for it to fill. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it coming up right after this. Okay, so I have my cup under here, and I'm going to push the measured fill button on the right, and it'll show the amount in ounces that we want to put into the cup. So I'm going to put this up to 25 ounces, 26 ounces, that will dispense into the cup. Press the measured fill button one more time, and you will see the water dispense into my jar here. Notice complete hands-free, so you can walk away and do something else while this is filling, and it will not overfill. Just make sure you dispense the correct ounces so that your glass does not overfill, and it will beep a little bit when it's done. And you'll notice the 26 ounces stays up, but you can push the back button in order to get out of there, and that's how you fill it. So that's how you use the measured fill feature on the Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator. Be sure to check out my video where I show you how to replace the water and ice filter. It's very simple to do, and also a great filter that you can use. I'll link that up in the description below. Also, you need to reset the filter change light. It doesn't do it automatically. You have to do it manually. Check out that video. And be sure to subscribe to my channel, The Handy Hudsonite, for more tips, hacks, and reviews like this one. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my content. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.